Good morning and welcome back to a new video. Today, we are going creek fishing. I've never been creek fishing. The only type of fishing I've done with a current is at an aqueduct, which you guys saw 2 videos ago. We had no luck. So today, we're actually going to a creek that has trout in it. I don't think the trout are very big at all. Like, my homie told me the biggest is maybe a foot. So, we're not going to be catching anything too big today, but it should still be fun. Should be a great time. I hope you guys are excited. And let's get straight into the video. Let's catch some hogs. Well, mini hogs. Just catch a lot of fish. Let's roll. Yes, sir. Let's go. We just got the boys. Boys just pulled up. Pick us up. Let's roll. Yes, sir. I'm my own tripod now.
I think a little collapse to the third, dude. Oh, yeah, like that.
Oh, took my hat again. Oh, in the water. Wow, look at these ants. They're in their natural habitat. Alright, we're gonna have to hit some gnarly parkour. I have to go from this rock to that rock to land. Let's roll. Got it. Damn, I'm a parkour master. Time my belt. I don't think the vlog. Alright, so this is Cohen. Say what's up, Cohen.
How's it going, brother? How's it going?
And he's new to the vlog today. We are going to be fishing together and hopefully catching a bunch of little trout.
Good feeling about today.
Yeah, me too, honestly. I think we're going to do good, so we'll see.
There's a waterfall up top.
Is there? Toast. Yeah, let me hear the you know the tricks.
Pop it in and you're just gonna let it sit and float the current.
Okay.
And they should want to pop up. How far?
Yep. Hold on, bites. Right. Nope.
Oh yeah!
Yeah!
Get over.
Yeah.
I told you. Alright, we need pliers.
He swallowed
Put it in
it.
the water. Put it in the water. Dude, look at the color on that thing. That's
I know, he's beautiful.
Those are those mountain rainbows.
Come on, bro. Yeah! Let's go, Cole. Good shit. Thanks.
I told you, dude. I
Good
fucking
work.
told you.
Yeah. Fish on! Woo! Let's go, boys! Yeah.
He's so beautiful.
I know he is. I gotta get to like flat ground. Let's go! He's pretty.
Yep, there you go.
Oh, yeah, you can. Nice. Hell yeah, let's go.
Hold on.
Yeah. Yeah. Not bad. Let's go, Austin. Woo. Sketch. All right, so the boys dipped out probably like 2 hours ago. They kept going way up there. I'm at like a weird point now where I don't know if I should follow them up there or just wait here like I have been, because I've just been sitting with the homie Cohen's tackle box waiting for him to get back, but they haven't gotten back yet, at least that I know, unless they passed me, which I don't think they would have. So I think it's time we go on a little adventure, go find these boys. Let's do this.
Look at the colors on
This one. Currently up here firing right now, Logan. I mean, I just got another one on, buddy. Definitely. It's another one, Logan. Uh-oh, bad release. Come on, Logan. Oh, yep. Oh, yeah, Logan, you're on the cold cam. Cold cam dropping in. Oh. It's another one, buddy, for the cold cam.
Okay, so I've been walking for a while. Pretty sure I sprained my ankle because it hurts. But good find because I haven't found the homies, but I found an airplane wing. What airplanes be crashing out here? That's my question. Anyways, we're still trying to find the homies. I'll update you if we ever do. I've been walking so long. Water, please. I just got a good bite. I stopped walking. I wanted to fish for a little bit. I'm over looking for these fools. Dude, how am I not sinking these fools? Ew, no! We lost him. Took my word. I'm gonna give it one more go, dude. This guy's in here. Fish on! Woo! Let's go, boys. Get him over here. Got your ass. I'm gonna let him sit in the water for a second. I have to get some pliers. Woo! One more for the day. Good little guy. Let's go.
Got the same something I got on myself.
Yeah? You're good, bro. Yeah, there we go. Damn, let's Woo! Let's go, Cole!
Oh, no.
Is he off?
No, I'm on.
Oh, I see him.
I'm just gotta fall in.
Yeah! Let's go, Cole! Yeah!
Another one.
Yeah. Not bad, though. Good little guy. Let's go, Cole. Kind of yellow. Oh, it's that cold.
It's cold as shit. The boys are getting in. Come on now.
Oh my god, I didn't think about that. That is so, oh, it's so nice out now though. Dude, it's so nice, bro. It's just, it hurt to go under like that. Let's go. Woo! Good fishing day. Let's go, boys.
I'm gonna